Unit 1. Introduction to Biology. Lesson 3. Quiz. The scientific method. Question 1. What is the first step that often begins scientific inquiry? A. Forming a hypothesis. B. Conducting an experiment. C. Making careful observations. D. Publishing results. E. Revising conclusions. Question 2. A scientific question must be A. Interesting to everyone. B. Answerable with evidence. C. Based on personal beliefs. D. Impossible to test. E. Already answered. Question 3. What is a hypothesis? A. A proven scientific fact. B. A random guess without evidence. C. A proposed explanation consistent with existing evidence. D. The final conclusion of an experiment. E. A collection of observations. Question 4. Why are predictions important in science? A. They replace experiments. B. They connect hypotheses to evidence. C. They guarantee correct results. D. They prevent further research. E. They eliminate uncertainty. Question 5. Which of the following is not mentioned as a method scientists use to gather evidence? A. Laboratory experiments. B. Field observations. C. Comparative studies. D. Computer models. E. Astrology. Question 6. According to the lesson, the research method should A. Always be a laboratory experiment. B. Match the scientific question being asked. C. Be the fastest available method. D. Be the least expensive method. E. Always involve animals. Question 7. Why do scientists communicate their methods and results? A. To increase competition between scientists. B. To prevent others from repeating the work. C. So others can evaluate the evidence and test the findings. D. To keep discoveries secret. E. To avoid peer review. Question 8. Which process helps identify errors and determine whether scientific findings are dependable? A. Advertising. B. Guessing. C. Peer review and replication. D. Personal opinion. E. Voting. Question 9. Why is science described as self-correcting? A. Scientists never make mistakes. B. Scientific ideas never change. C. Scientists revise explanations when new evidence appears. D. Experiments always produce the same results. E. Scientific conclusions are absolutely certain. Question 10. Which sequence best represents the scientific inquiry process described in the lesson? A. Observation to question 2, explanation to prediction, to evidence to communication to revision. B. Experiment to observation, to conclusion to hypothesis to revision. C. Prediction to observation to communication, to evidence to question. D. Conclusion to experiment to observation to question. E. Communication to revision to observation to experiment. Correct answers. Question 1. C. 2. B. 3. C. 4. B. 5. E. 6. B. 7. C. 8. C. 9. C. 10. A. Did you get all the answers correct? If not, don't worry. Just watch lesson 3 again and try the quiz one more time.